Hi friends, let me show you this Oxford shirt that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a really nice shirt. It has a nice fabric, as you can see. It's a solid blue color. It has buttons also here in the collar, and it makes it a perfect fit for casual or formal attires, okay? Let me try it. You see? It's really nice. Okay, you can wear it casually like this, just for a Sunday, for a relaxed day, or you can be really formal. As you can see, you can use them in any occasion, formal or casual, okay? So I think these shirts are really nice. The fabric is soft, it's pure cotton, and they feel great any way you like to use your shirts, okay? So if you need new shirts, you can go with these ones. You can use them casually or formally for anything you need to do. And it also has this pocket, so you can bring whatever you need, whatever you want with you easily. Really nice shirts, nice cut, nice fabric. Perfect.